Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I am here with my September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, Ipsy's doing something interesting now, and they're offering three different bags. Their original glam bag is going to be $12, and you get the 5 beauty products with the makeup bag. The Plus, which is this box, is $25. And then the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is brand new, shipping in October, is going to be 50. So there's three levels of Ipsy now. And in one account, this is actually kind of confusing, you guys. So I would check your accounts. So if you're getting, I'm currently on Glam Bag Plus, and I just logged into my account just to kind of look. And I'm actually scheduled to get my Glam Bag Plus in October, but I also signed up for Glam Bag Ultimate. So I don't want both bags. So I actually paused. I didn't want to cancel Glam Bag Plus right now in case I go back to it. So I actually paused it for October. And you just need to remember to go back in there. And then I'm assuming my Ultimate's going to ship. So you want to make sure if you were on one plan and you switch to another, that you either paused or not getting it unless you want two bags. A lot of people get all three bags, but just in case you don't, I don't want anyone to be surprised and go, why am I being charged for three different bags? So definitely check your Ipsy accounts this month, if you upgraded to Ultimate especially. So, September Glam Bag Plus. I'm so happy I upgraded to the Plus bag because I do feel like we get more usable products than just the regular glam bag because I'm not a huge fan of those really teeny tiny samples, as many of you know. So, for example, look at what we got this month. I think it was Ipsy it was either Ipsy or BoxyCharm, I don't know. I just finished up my old Glam Glow face wash. I literally used the last of it last night, so I'm so happy I got another one. This is the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, and I really like Glam Glow as a daily. Oops, I don't know if I can open this. Is this okay? There's no seal on here. It's a daily cleanser. This one is actually interesting. Check it out. It's kind of like purple, and it does have a little bit of an exfoliant in it. Ooh, all over my lip. How many people do that? Let me grab a Kleenex. This one smells really good. I am such a huge fan of the Glam Glow products. They're expensive though, so I don't really buy them that much. This one is a $34 value. It's supposed to buff away dead skin cells. I'm so excited to try this. So there we have it. The Glam Glow Tropical. It's actually Tropical Cleanse. I got it. Okay, next up, we have a lipstick, which is always exciting. This is from Illamasqua. I've never heard of this company. It's a pretty container. Check it out. What shade did we get? Oh, it's a pretty shade too. Let me swatch that. I put lipstick on earlier, but I honestly think that like I ate something before I did my video and it rubbed off. So there you go. Looks good. This is actually nice. Where is this one made? I don't know. Know what the shade is. It looks like, oh, it's made in Italy. So we have a nice Italian lipstick. Value is $27. Beloved Brit purveyors of cruelty-free beauty. Oh, that's awesome. Know a thing or two about bold, non-drying lipstick, vitamin E infused. Oh, wow. So this is a pretty awesome lipstick, and the color is Cosmic. So, that's an awesome find this month, you guys. For lipstick, I would never pay $27 for a lipstick, like ever. So again, this is why I get the beauty boxes. Next up, Wander Beauty. I love Wander Beauty. Check it out. What is this? We have got a Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe, $21 value. Again, I would never go out and spend, I'm just going to leave this sealed, I usually gift out these brow pencils because I wear bangs, so my brows are super obvious. I usually keep them a little shorter, but still, I do like keeping my brows neat. But I don't. I have so many brow pencils, so I'll probably gift this one. But that's a $21 value, pretty awesome. Next up from Ofra, we have the Madison Miller palette. This is a $35 value. Um, it's a rosy combo of blush and highlighter, so that's kind of cool. I like Ofra. I've always liked Ofra. Check it out. Look at that. I'm not crazy about their logo. Their logo's kind of plain, though. As a marketer, I'm like, I don't know why their logo just doesn't thrill me too much. But check it out. Really pretty colors there. I like this center blush shade for fall. It's kind of like a nice little muted brick. I actually do need some more blush. I swear, I am so pale now that I'm just using my finger. Isn't that funny? Do you ever guys use your finger just to put stuff on when you don't have a brush available? That's like an old 80s trick. Just use your fingers. I break in every makeup rule on the planet. People are cringing. Hey, it worked. So anyway, awesome colors there. And I actually look like I'm not as pale as I was before. So that's pretty cool. What else do we have? Finally, we have from Apto. Skincare and antioxidant mask with pomegranate, $36 value. I love pomegranate. I had another. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this. Check it out. I had another pomegranate mask that I really liked. This might be sealed? I'm gonna say this is sealed. It is. So I'm just gonna pull this guy off here, and ooh, this is like a nice clay. Ooh, that smells good. I love a good clay mask. I am a huge fan of. I always used Borghese. I'm probably saying that wrong. I've been saying everything wrong lately. But I love their mask, and it kind of reminds me of that. But this is a really nice smelling mask, so I will definitely utilize this. I will probably utilize this tonight. As a matter of fact, I need a good clay mask on me. Appeasing skin and reducing redness, ideal for the first few weeks after summer. Oh, cool. Gets rid of free radical damage. Radical damage, free radicals. It's anti-aging. Everybody needs that. So anyway, awesome bag. I always call it a bag, but it's really a box. Bag box. This month from Ipsy. I am so excited. So value on this one is like 30, 50, 65, 70, 80, 90, 100. Holy cow. $135 value this month. You can't beat that. Like I said, I paid, what, $25 for this? This is why I love my beauty boxes. I'm so happy that everyone's moving towards a more plus type of bag, because I'd much rather pay $25 and get all these really nice full-size products that I'm more likely to use than to get 5 of the teeny-weeny little samples that end up like getting thrown out or never used. So I am happy this month with my Ipsy bag, and I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Hopefully I get my Ipsy Ultimate early next month, and I can kind of show you guys what I get for $50. I can't wait. I also did resubscribe to Glossybox for the holidays, because they always do really cool holiday stuff. I'm a huge fan of Glossybox for the holidays. I also am burning my Kringle. You can't tell here. It's actually burning. Can't see the flame up there. My Kringle Halloween Poison Apple candle goes very well with my Halloween decor here. So I will be giving you my review on that later today. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.